with me to the city of Ibadan from Lagos. So this is the first time I'm actually using a train. So I love to like share my experience with you guys. So come with me. Come with me to Ibadan from Lagos using a train. See you. So I just arrived here. I'll keep you guys updated. Hi guys. So I'm here already. I'm still waiting for the train. This is not bad. So once the train is here, I would let you guys know. So guys, I'm hungry and I want to take my lunch. This is my lunch. I'm eating a piece of cake and a drink. Then I came to the toilet to use the toilet mirror to admire my beauty. I'm already now. I'm so fine. I'm so done. Oh my god, see beauty. I'm so fine. 7/7. So guys, train is actually inside seated inside
Please be reminded that smoking or drinking of alcohol is not allowed on board. Please do not litter as waste bins are available at the rear of each coach. Kindly use them properly. We would like that you kindly take note of this.
So guys, I've gotten home. The journey was actually easy. The journey was actually soft and the train was comfy. I'm going to try it again actually.